Hi, so here in this question we have the cost of fencing a rectangular plot is 200 per feet along one side and 100 per feet along the three other sides. So let's say this is the rectangular plot. These sides are x, y, x and y. Rectangular will have equal opposite sides. Okay. Now the cost of fencing is 100 per feet along three sides. So let's say the cost of fencing is 100 here, 100 here, 100 here and 200 here per feet. Okay, 100 rupees, 200 rupees per feet. The total area of this rectangular plot is 60,000. Now what will be the total area here? Area of a rectangular plot is the product of the two adjacent sides. So area is x into y, which is given to us as 60,000 square feet, and we need to calculate the minimum cost of fencing. Now what is the cost of fencing? Let's look at it. Now cost of fencing will be 100 into x for this side, 100 into y, 200 into x and 100 into y. So 100 into x plus 100 into y plus 200 into x plus 100 into y. So the cost of fencing comes out to be 100x plus 200x is 300x plus 100y plus 100y is 200y. Now we have to calculate the minimum possible value of this expression, correct? So now here we'll use the property that arithmetic mean of two numbers is always greater than or equal to their geometric mean, and the equality comes when both the numbers are equal. Fine. So considering the two numbers are 300x and 200y, so their arithmetic mean will be 300x plus 200y by 2. This is greater than or equal to the geometric mean. Since there are two numbers, the geometric mean will be square root of 300x into 200y. Okay. So we have 300x plus 200y is greater than or equal to, this 2 goes that side, twice of square root of this whole thing. Now 300 into 200 is 60, 0000. Oh sorry. 3 into 2 is 6, 0000. So 300 into 200 is 60,000 into x into y. Now x into y is also 60,000. So this is also 60,000. So 60,000 into 60,000 ka square root. So square root of this will be 60,000. 60,000 into 2 is 120,000. So we have 300x plus 200y should be greater than or equal to 1,20,000. So if we want to minimize the value of this, what will be the minimum value? It should be 1,20,000. If this expression is greater than or equal to 1,20,000, the minimum value will be 1,20,000, and this is what the cost is. So the total cost of fencing will be least 1,20,000. Option B is the right answer here. Thank you.